Today we will discuss about safety stock calculation. Safety stock is extra inventory kept as a buffer against uncertainty in demand or supply. This topic is important for students, freshers, inventory managers, warehouse professionals, and business owners because effective stock management directly impacts customer satisfaction and business continuity. Safety stock is the additional quantity of inventory maintained beyond regular requirements. It acts as a protective cushion to ensure businesses can continue fulfilling customer orders even when demand increases unexpectedly or suppliers delay shipments. Without safety stock, businesses risk losing customers when products are unavailable. This can lead to poor customer experience, delayed production, and urgent purchasing costs. Maintaining safety stock improves service levels and operational stability. Safety stock is influenced by several factors. If customer demand changes frequently or supplier delivery times are inconsistent, businesses need more safety stock. Desired service level also matters, as higher customer service expectations require stronger inventory buffers. One commonly used formula for safety stock is maximum daily usage multiplied by maximum lead time minus average daily usage multiplied by average lead time. This helps estimate the extra inventory needed during uncertain conditions. Let's calculate safety stock using sample numbers. Maximum daily usage is 120 units and maximum lead time is 8 days. Average daily usage is 80 units with average lead time of 5 days. After calculation, safety stock required is 560 units. Safety stock works together with reorder point. Reorder point tells us when to place a new order. It is calculated by adding expected demand during lead time and safety stock. Too much safety stock increases storage and holding costs, while too little raises the risk of stockouts. Businesses must find the right balance based on demand patterns and operational priorities. Safety stock is widely used across industries. Retailers prevent empty shelves, manufacturers avoid production stoppages, e-commerce businesses maintain customer satisfaction, and pharmaceutical companies ensure medicine availability. Many businesses make mistakes by using outdated demand data or inaccurate supplier lead times. Safety stock calculations should be reviewed regularly to reflect current business conditions. To optimize safety stock, businesses should analyze historical demand, monitor supplier reliability, and use inventory management software for accurate forecasting and planning. If this video added value to your learning, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it who needs this video.